Hey there, math enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of limits. Stick around because I'm about to show you a mind-bending trick that'll make solving complex limits a breeze. Trust me, you'll want to see this. Alright, let's jump right in. We're tackling the limit of square root 1 plus x minus 1 all divided by x as x approaches 0. Now, I know what you're thinking, this looks impossible. But don't worry, I've got your back. First things first, let's break this down step by step. When I was in high school, this problem had me scratching my head for hours. Substituting x equals 0 was a bad idea because it resulted to 0 divided by 0 equals undefined. But then, my math teacher showed me a neat trick that changed everything. Ready for it? We're going to use a technique called rationalization. It's like having a secret weapon in your math arsenal. Here's how it works. Step 1. Multiply both the numerator and denominator by square root 1 plus x plus 1. Remember, this is just like multiplying by 1, so it doesn't change the value of our expression. Square root 1 plus x minus 1 all divided by x, then multiplied by square root 1 plus x plus 1 divided by square root 1 plus x plus 1. Step 2. Simplify the numerator. Watch the magic happen. Square root 1 plus x squared minus 1 squared all divided by x multiplies square root 1 plus x plus 1. Step 3. Simplify further. Remember, square root 1 plus x squared is just 1 plus x. Hence, 1 plus x minus 1 all divided by x 1 plus x plus 1. Step 4. Subtract 1 from 1 in the numerator. Also, x divided by x square root 1 plus x plus 1. Divide x by x to further simplify. Hence, 1 divided by square root 1 plus x plus 1. Now, here's where it gets exciting. The square root 1 plus x becomes square root 1, which is just 1, so we end up with 1 divided by 1 plus 1 equals 1 divided by 2. And there you have it. The limit as x approaches 0 is 1/2. Isn't that amazing? I remember the first time I solved this problem on my own. It felt like cracking a secret code, and now you've done it too. This technique of rationalization is super useful, and you'll find it comes in handy for many other limit problems. So next time you're faced with a tricky limit, remember this trick. It might just save the day. And hey, if you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your classmates. We're all in this math journey together. Before you go, here is a quick challenge for you. Try applying this technique to the limit of square root 1 plus to x minus 1 all divided by x as x approaches 0. Give it a shot and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Until next time, keep calculating and stay curious.